How to use Fable 5. So this is going to show you how to access Claude Fable 5. For those of you who use Claude on a day-to-day basis, this may seem very simple, but this video is for people who have potentially never used Claude before or just heard a lot about Fable 5. So what you're going to want to do is go to claude.ai/new into a regular chat here. You want to go to the bottom right of the chat. It should say Sonnet 5 Medium now. You're going to want to go ahead, click that drop down, and there you'll be able to see Fable 5. But if you go and click it and you don't have a membership, like so, whether it's the Pro membership, the Max membership, the Teams and Enterprise memberships, you won't be able to use Fable 5 for free. So you'll have to purchase one of those if you want to use Fable 5. So if you did have the Team membership, the Enterprise membership, or the Pro or Max plans, you will be able to go ahead and use it. Like so, there are limits on each of them, so you'll need to look them up. But you can't use it for free. The expenditure is about what you can see on screen now. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video for help, and subscribe for more helpful videos.